Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have a showdown between two essential Braun products that will revolutionize your shaving experience. It's a battle of the essentials. Let's dive in and find out which product comes out on top. First up, let's talk compatibility. The Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head is compatible with a wide range of razor models. It works with the 3040s, 310s, 300s, and many more. It's like a match made in shaving heaven. Now, let's talk about performance. The Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head ensures peak performance for your shaver. It's recommended to replace the head every 18 months for that ultimate close shave. Let's move on to ease of use. The Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head is a breeze to replace with just 2 simple steps. No need to stress over complicated instructions or wasting time. Last but not least, let's talk about value for money. The Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head comes at a reasonable price, ensuring an efficient shaving experience and a 25% better shave. It's like getting a mini spa treatment every time you shave. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 are compatible with any clean and charge unit. So if you already have one, these cartridges will be a perfect fit. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 provide an alcohol-based cleaning solution that not only cleans your shaver but also maintains optimal hygiene. Plus, it releases a refreshing lemon-fresh scent for a delightful shaving experience. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 are super easy to replace. Just pop in a new cartridge and you're good to go. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 come in a pack of 4, providing you with months of fresh, clean, and hygienic shaves. It's like having your own personal shaving butler. Reviewers highly recommend the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head for its excellent performance, durability, and compatibility with various razor models. They also appreciate the easy replacement process. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 receive praise for effectively cleaning and lubricating the shaver, maintaining optimal hygiene, and providing a refreshing scent. Reviewers also mention the convenience and cost-effectiveness of the pack of 4 cartridges. And that concludes our showdown between the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head and the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4. Both products have their strengths, but ultimately it's up to you to decide which one suits your shaving needs best. Leave a comment below and let us know which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product showdowns and reviews. Stay smart, folks.